Technical skills are so important in healthcare. But what I would challenge us to think about is just as equally and sometimes more important, the people skills are extremely crucial in how we deal with patients and their families and each other. Hey, I'm Dr. Jeff, and I'm coming to you from Springdale, Arkansas this week as I'm traveling for work. But I wanted to point out that I think in my over 30 years of healthcare experience, one of the things that sometimes is lacking in healthcare is the people skills or the soft skills when we're interacting with each other. You know, when I was a nurse at the bedside, I was expected to know how to start an IV. And there were many clinical things that, yes, were expected when I provided care for a patient. And those things were very important. In addition, though, what I think matters in the healthcare healing journey of our patients is the ability to show empathy and kindness, and how we talk to our patients, their families, and how we interact with each other. So, a few years ago, I was at a basketball game, and from a distance, I noticed a familiar face to me, and it came to me that I had provided care as a nurse for his mother many, many years ago. So I went up to introduce myself, and I have changed in how I look, more white hair, some wrinkles, etc., than when I was that young nurse on the floor, on the med-surg floor. And I said, "Hey, do you recognize me?" And immediately he recognized who I was, and he spoke about the empathy and kindness that I had shown his mother and also to himself. That stayed with him in that healthcare experience. So technical skills are important, and they should be important in how we provide care for our patients. But in addition to that, we should also be working on our people skills. So what are we doing now to analyze how do we interact with people? Do we let our frustration show? Do we show empathy, kindness? What are we doing to make sure that our people skills are there to ensure that our patients are getting the best experience that they deserve? What are we doing to show our people skills or work on our people skills when we interact with each other as healthcare workers? Because we deserve to have a pleasant experience as much as possible, because we are on the front lines and giving every day. And to those bedside providers, I know you're on the front lines every day, and you're working hard trying to provide great care for patients. So let's work on our people skills in combination with our technical skills. To my healthcare friends out there, I truly appreciate you. As we serve together, Dr. Jeff.